Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to do the first question. So Malena has 450 fruit trees. The ratio is given, apple is to pear is to plum is 8 is to 7 is to 3. Show that Malena has 200 apple trees. So first of all, number of apple trees will be equal to the ratio of the apples, which is 8, divided by the sum of all ratios, 8 plus 7 plus 3, into the total number 450. So this is 8 by 18 into 450, which is 18 goes in this 25 times 8 into 25, which is equal to 200. And so the number of apple trees is 200. Straightforward question. Second question, find the number of plum trees. The same type again, number of plum trees will be equal to, what is the ratio of the plum? It is 3 divided by 8 plus 7 plus 3 into 450, which is nothing but 3 by 18 into 450. Now 18 goes in this 25 times, so 3 into 25 is equal to 75. So how many plum trees are there? 75 plum trees are there. Now the third question, Malena wants to increase the number of pear trees by 32%. Calculate the number of extra pear trees that she needs. So if we can find out how many pear trees she actually has, and for the pear the ratio is 7, so number of pear trees that she actually has is given by 7 divided by 8 plus 7 plus 3 into 450, which is 7 by 18 into 450, and this goes in this 25 times. 7 into 25 is 175. So she has 175 trees. So number of pear trees required will be 32%. She wants to increase the number by 32%. 32 by 100 into 175. And this value is equal to, so this is 32 by 4 into 7 and 8 into 7, which is 56. So she needs another 56 trees. She needs to plant so that the number of pear trees will increase by 32%. So what is 100 will become 132. So the difference is 32. So the number of pear trees required is 32 by 100 into 175. Okay, let us go to the fourth part. Each apple tree produces 48.5 kg of apples. The apples have an average mass of 165 grams each. Calculate the total number of apples produced by the 200 trees. So total mass from 200 trees of apples from all 200 trees will be equal to the mass from each tree into the number of trees in kgs, right? So 48.5 into 2 is nothing but 97. So this is 9700 kg. And if we convert this into grams, this is 97,000,000 in grams. So average weight of each apple is 165 grams. So therefore number of apples is the total weight, which is 97,000,000 divided by 165, and this value is equal to 58787.8787 and so on. So these are the number of apples, around 58,800. So we need to cut it to nearly to 1000 apples. So we will apply it here. Since 7 is greater than 5, and so 8 will become 9, and all the others after this cutting point will become 0. So this is nothing but 59,000. So that is how you will cut it to the required number of significant figures. So since we want it to the nearest 1000, cut it at the thousands figure and then look at the hundreds figure. It is 7 greater than 5. And so what is 8 will become 9 and all others will become zeros. So how many apples are there? 59,000 apples. This completes this part. Let us go to part B. Malena's land is valued at $3,075,000. Write this number in figure. 3,075,000. So this is the number. Now write your answer to part B in standard form. 3,075,000 is equal to, so this is in the number a into 10 power b, where a is from 1 to in between 1 to 10, and so I will write it as 3.075 into, since these are all zeros we can ignore them. In order to write it as 3.075, how many numbers did I go? I went 10 power, I went 6 digits to the left, and so this is into 10 power 6. So the answer is 3.075 into 10 power 6. In order to convert it into standard form, if I go to the right, then it will be 10 power minus into number of digits. If I go to the left, it will be 10 power plus into the number of digits. Here I went 6 digits to the left, so it is 10 power plus 6 because I had gone to the left. Okay. Now C part. Each plum tree produced 37.7 kg of plums in 2020. This was 16% more in 2019. So if the mass in 2019 is X, then mass in 2020 is equal to X into 1 plus 16 by 100, because it is 16% more. That implies 1.16X is equal to 37.7 kg. So X is equal to 37.7 by 1.16, which is nothing but 32.5 kg. Again, straightforward question. They have given one value. You need to express it in the terms of the other value and then calculate the other value directly. And so what is the mass of plums produced by each plum tree in 2019? It is 232.5 kg. Okay. Now the last part. Malena invests 1800 at the rate of 2.1% per year compound interest. Calculate the value of her investment at the end of 15 years. So here R is given to be 2.1% and principal P is given to be $1,800 and the time T or N is given to be 15 years. So the total amount would be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. So this is equal to 1800 into 1 plus 2.1 by 100 whole power 15. So this is equal to 1800 into 1.021 whole power 15. And this is equal to, if I calculate the value using a calculator, this will turn out to be 2458.434468 and so on. And so if I write it in dollars exactly up to two decimal places, it is 2458.43 in dollars. This completes the question. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.